You open Instagram and see breathtaking reels, lush green landscapes, pristine beaches and stunning mountain views. You think, यार मुझे भी ट्रिप पे जाना है. But then reality kicks in. भाई महंगा पड़ेगा. A dream trip doesn't have to be expensive. What if we told you that you can go on an international trip, enjoy all those views and still not burn a hole in your pocket? Yes, Sri Lanka is the answer. Kandy, Sri Lanka's cultural heart. Visit the famous Temple of the Tooth and take a peaceful walk around Kandy Lake. Sigiriya, the legendary Ravan's Lanka. Climbing Sigiriya Rock Fortress is pricey, but here's a hack. Hike to Pidurangala Rock instead. Same epic views at just INR 250. Ella, waterfalls, rolling tea plantations and the famous Nine-Arc Bridge. Pure natural beauty and best of all, it's completely free. If you are a beach person, Mirissa, Unawatuna and Bentota offer postcard perfect beaches with zero entry fees. Just sit back, relax and soak in the sun. Just a short flight away, it offers exotic beaches, tea plantations, adventure spots and ancient history. It is also the place where Ramayana took place. Now let's break it down step by step. Flights are usually the biggest expense, but if you are smart about it, you can save big. A round trip from Bangalore, Delhi or Mumbai to Colombo costs around Rs 15,000 to 18,000 provided you book in advance. Flying from Chennai, even better. You can get a round trip for just Rs 12,000. Budget airlines like Air India Express, Sri Lankan Airlines and Indigo often have great deals. Cost saving hack, book your tickets on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. Flight prices tend to be a little lower. Sri Lanka is one of the most sought after destinations. You just need a few documents, a valid passport, an electronic travel authorization, confirmed return or onward ticket. Just apply for an ETA online before your trip. It costs Rs 1,500 to Rs 2,000 and gets approved within 24 to 48 hours. It's best to apply early for your peace of mind. Do not carry cash in Indian rupees. They are not accepted and the exchange rates may not be great. Bring US dollars and exchange them in Sri Lanka. The airport exchange rate provides better value. Pro tip: carry a zero forex markup card for transactions. You can also use UPI at some places. Check with your banking app for their availability in Sri Lanka or use the ABCD app for quick and seamless payments. Get a local SIM at the airport. It will save you from expensive international roaming. Dialog SIM is said to have the fastest and most reliable network access. You can get up to 20 GB data at just INR 410. Just show your passport and it gets activated within 5 to 10 minutes. Super easy, right? What if my passport gets stolen? Or what if my baggage never arrives? These are the issues that we inevitably worry about on every trip. Travel insurance goes a long way in reducing these worries. Lost luggage, flight cancellations, or sudden illness can turn your budget trip into a costly mess. Prevent them with the most affordable travel insurance via ABCD app. A 5-day international trip insurance costs only INR 269. You can find super clean, comfy and budget-friendly hostels in Sri Lanka. Dorm beds start at just INR 800 per night. Bonus, you will meet travelers from around the world. If you prefer privacy, a decent budget hotel costs INR 1,500 to INR 3,000 per night. Airbnbs and homestays offer cozy local vibes and even home-cooked meals for INR 1,500 to INR 2,500 per night. forget expensive taxis. Sri Lanka is best explored like a local. Buses are extremely cheap. Think INR 30 to 100 for intercity travel. Just hop on and enjoy the ride, as well as the view. Trains, a must-do. A ride from Colombo to Kandy or Ella costs just INR 150 to 400, and the views, unreal. Lush green hills, misty mountains that feel straight out of a postcard. Tuk-tuks are everywhere, but make sure you always bargain. A short ride shouldn't cost more than INR 100 to 200. And hey, keep an eye on your expenses. A simple budgeting app helps, or just use the ABCD app to track and manage your spends easily. Sri Lanka's street food scene is unmissable. It's where the magic happens. For just INR 100 to 200, you can get a full plate of rice and curry, packed with flavors that will blow your mind. Kotu roti is a must-try that travelers rave about, and it will only cost about INR 50 to 150. If you are a seafood lover, you are in for a treat. Don't miss out on the freshly grilled fish and prawns at the beachside cafes for just INR 300 to 500. Sunset view included. Pro tip: carry your passport when visiting the main attractions. Since India is a part of the SAARC agreement, you get heavy discounts at many tourist spots. So how much will it cost in total? Flights INR 12,000 to 18,000. Visa INR 1,500 to 2,000. Stay for 5 nights INR 4,000 to 7,500. Food for 5 days INR 2,500 to 4,500. Transport for 5 days INR 1,500 to 3,000. Sightseeing and fun activities INR 2,000 to 3,000. And total, it can cost you roughly around INR 25k to 40k depending on your choices. Sri Lanka is beautiful, affordable and totally worth it. With just INR 25k to 40k, you can have an unforgettable international trip. So that's it from our side. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it ahead and subscribe to ABCD of Money for more such content. Download the ABCD app now to simplify your finances.